Good morning. I got Douglas getting kissed by the purple killer whale, and then an animation version. Thanks to Emma Zhang for this. I appreciate that. And I went a little stuff there, so I thought I'd throw in and make it a little bit for a family version of this. That's nice to see. And then near the end, by the way, I got to hear the tale from Mermaid, and of course some many jokes. And then it got near the end. I got Southern Railway. The pictures on the way for on the westbound SkyTrain. I got the 3-5 and the 3-2 and the 3-4. So just let you know, it's near the end. A mixed compilation otherwise.
Vì thật là khó để buông tay vội. Màn đêm trôi chỉ còn lại những vắng tanh. Đừng để anh phải lạc lối.